Hey all, welcome to my channel. It's Chill with Sabby. Today we are going to do Ready, Set and Go with Hot Wheels Glow Rider 3-pack set. It's distributed by Just Play. It contains Fast Fish car. This car uses 3 batteries. Let's start. It has 3 colors: yellow, orange, and teal blue. It doesn't look like a regular Hot Wheels size car. It's not feels like cheap at all, but it's good for the kids or any collector they are looking for Hot Wheels. So these vehicles race forward with having a glowing light effect. So they have a battery there, 3 batteries, and they have switch on and switch off. We go a little closer. There you go. On and off. Let's on this. What this button does. And what this button does. And what about this? I like this sound. Tires are not, they are made sturdy. They look like a little bit rubbery. Doesn't look like cheap at all. It's sturdy too. Let's start about this yellow car. Same way. See, does it have a different sound? It has a similar sound. And what about orange? These lights give effect to these cars, and it is good for racing in the dark. It has a really realistic sound and music. As I already said, it requires 3 batteries that last long. It has no pullback function, and it is bigger than regular Hot Wheels. Yes, you can see the size, but it's durable. Not good for the Hot Wheel tracks, and best for the Hot Wheel lovers, glow lovers, and sound lovers. And it's plastic, good plastic. So let me know in a comment what do you think about this car, and please like, share, and subscribe to channel. Thank you for watching.